Let's edit roles on a business Facebook page using my desktop computer. We'll be removing an administrator. Head to your small business's Facebook page while signed in to your personal Facebook account. Following the mouse, let's go ahead and tap Settings. On the column to the left, select Page Roles, scrolling down the page to find the individual, in this case to remove, as an administrator. Click Edit. Below the name in the blue text, select Remove. Confirm the choice, entering the password for my personal Facebook account. With that, the person no longer has access to manage the account. The now former administrator will receive an email notifying them of the change. Recourse is limited and Facebook warns in the link found in the email. Note we can only take action on your report if we can confirm the person was hacked. In other words, once removed, it's virtually a done deal. Let's edit roles on a business Facebook page using my desktop computer. We'll be removing an administrator.